I'm a child of a rich universe. Hey. I dare to prosper. Hey. I'm a child of a rich universe. Hey. I dare to prosper. I dare to prosper. I dare to prosper. I dare to prosper. Hey. I'm a child of a rich universe. I dare to prosper. 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 I'm a child of a rich universe. I dare to prosper. I dare to prosper. I dare to prosper. I dare to prosper. I'm a child of a rich universe. I dare to prosper. I dare to prosper. I dare to prosper. I dare to prosper. Hey, I'm a child of a rich universe. I dare to prosper. I dare to prosper.
Hey, thank you. Welcome back. Welcome back. It's your girl Shaymarie. Thank you guys for stopping by and tuning in for another video. If you're new to this channel, I want to say welcome. This is a part 2 to the last video I just did, and we were talking about financial literacy. I shared with you guys an amazing interview that was done yesterday with Robert Kiyosaki, a very knowledgeable person that I consider to be a very great mentor virtually. I don't know him in person at all, but I've been following him for some time now, and I've been reading his literature and following his concepts. And I must say I really appreciate all of this man has to offer to our society, to our world. So if you watch that video, then you probably know what was talked about, but we're definitely just going to do a little recap. And if you're wondering what that music was in the beginning of this video, you guys, that was just a little song that I like, a little affirmation. I was working on a few months ago, like some prosperity affirmation type raps, whatever. I've always kind of like inspired low-key to be a rapper, and I sing. I've been a singer all my life, singing and whatever. I don't do it professionally, not yet, but I do plan on eventually making singing and rapping a part of my life career, because I'm going to be doing all type of things. But right now I'm really focused on educating myself, growing wealth, and also taking the time to educate you guys and bring some educational content that is going to help you to transform your life away from what we have been taught is normal and to have to accept. And we don't have to accept this type of life, you guys. We don't have to accept living in poverty and living in in lack and everything. So let me know how you like that song, Child of a Rich Universe, I Dare to Prosper. That is not my beat. I don't own that beat, so I don't own like that song. I don't have any copyrights or anything to that song. I just want to make my disclaimer right now. It was just something I was having fun with. I'm not monetizing off of it or anything of that nature. So with that being said, we'll go on and I'll just recap a little bit about the interview that with Robert Kiyosaki, and I'll get into the meat and the goods of why I wanted to bring you this video today. So Mr. Robert Kiyosaki talked about the agenda of certain parts of the government and the Federal Reserve, the central banks, and other group of people that are, they had an agenda to steal the wealth of nations, you guys. So just remember, this is a global situation. This is not just a United States of America situation. These people have been going around the entire world inflicting um their so-called help to certain governments, but instead they're infiltrating these governments, taking over these governments by basically helping these governments to get in debt with the United States of America, and the United States of America is in debt itself. It's a long story, you guys. So with that being said, like I was saying, there's a small group of people that are controlling the entire world population with their fake money, with their fake dollars. Every country has this fiat currency. This is what we call it, fiat currency. Our paper dollars is fiat currency. And I don't know if you're fans on my Facebook page. I did have a video. I'm just going to go to it real quickly and then I'll come back. But this is the video on my Facebook.
Federal Reserve System, literally. And along the way, I'll show you just what goes on around here and what.
So he's going to talk to you and let you know about the history of money and why money even exists. I highly recommend you guys go check out that video on my Facebook page. If you're watching this video on Facebook, I'll have the link in the comments. If you're watching on YouTube, I'll also have the link in the comments, you guys. So back to the meat and gritty of this. So we were tricked back in 1997, as Mr. Robert Kiyosaki talked about, when Nixon took the gold standard away from the dollars, and since then financial literacy has strongly been lacking in our communities. We unknowingly rejected what Mr. Robert Kiyosaki called God's money, which is gold and silver, you guys. And now 99% of the people in this world believe that paper dollars and fiat currency is real money when it isn't, you guys. There isn't even any money. They've extracted all the gold from the system. The banks don't have any gold. They've been mining gold and buying gold and hoarding it and keeping it from us. And making us think that dollars is real money. There is no money. It's all just checks and balances, debits and credits. It's all just, it's fake money. They're printing it out of thin air. There's nothing backing it up. No physical assets. No gold and silver is backing it up. See, back in the day, you used to be able to go and take the certificate notes. I wish I had a picture on here to show you guys this, but I have a lot of information on my Facebook page, whatever. You can definitely go check it up. But you can go and see and look it up on Google it. You can look it up and see that back in the day, you were able to go take these certificates to the bank. See, we own the gold. The people in this country own the gold. Gold wasn't owned by the government. It was owned by us. So the government tricked us into, they formulated a bank to make the monetary system easier to make certain transitions, right? So they formulate the bank. They trick people into bringing their gold. They handed them out these certificates. And those certificates were supposed to be redeemable for physical gold, you guys. Do we do that today, you guys? No, we do not. They make you think that you are because they give you this little change like quarters and pennies So when we go and spend $1, they give us change and stuff like that. You spend 50 cents, they give you back 2 quarters or 2 quarters, a quarter, a nickel and a dime, 2 nickels and a dime or whatever to equal the change, whatever. You see how they tricked us, you guys? You see how they tricked us? So the banks all around the world are going through the same financial crisis as the Americans. We are all going through it because the American government officials that we've how can I say it? We've been bamboozled, you guys, and we've been tricked, and we've been put in some trick bags, like tremendously in this country with this government, and it's a lot going on. So America is nearly $26 trillion in debt right now. $26 trillion in debt. And they're currently still printing up more money. Do you guys actually believe that the Federal Reserve has this money that the government is going to the Federal Reserve for these stimulus payments? No, they don't have that money sitting around. It's being printed. And guess what? Half of it is not even being printed. It's just credits. Digital money in a computer. Why do you think right now they're trying to transfer everything to these Visa cards? Because there is no money. It's all credits, you guys. It's all credits. It's just a fucking bubble. Excuse my French. Excuse my language. But it's a bubble. So the only thing left to happen is for a domino effect to happen, right? The entire economy is going to come crashing down, the economic system. Because how can they just keep printing money, and then what's happening, as you heard what Robert Kiyosaki say, with all of these other countries who've traded stocks and bonds and traded goods and services for stocks and bonds with our company, right? Now they're trying to come cash in those stocks and bonds, right? But guess what? It's not worth shit. The American dollar has lost 98% of its purchasing power. Do you understand what inflation is? So, if you go to that video, you'll eventually become to understand what inflation and quantitative is. So this is why, as you heard Mr. Kiyosaki say, that we should want this to happen. We want this economic system to come crashing down, because the Federal Reserves and the central banks and these governments and these people that are over our government in power in these positions, they're not capable, you guys, of properly running the world. They're doing everything to benefit themselves. They've been stealing from us. They have been stealing from us, you guys. You have to understand. They have been stealing from us in so many ways. Stealing people's pensions, 401ks, crashing the economy purposely. And coming out for like fat rats. The people that the government bailed out in 2008 were these banks. It wasn't the people in America. The people in America that go around living and struggling and working and paying taxes every day, right? Was left in a worse position than before. But these executives of these banks, they got bailed out. And they was somewhere living like a fat rat, laughing at our dumbasses. Because we allowed it to happen. So we can't allow this to happen anymore, you guys. We have to take a stand, and we have to start cutting out the middleman. We have to start cutting out the middleman. And, go back to what it was before the Federal Reserve and the central banks. And, gain power over our economic system. And we have to get back to silver and gold. Silver and gold was money, and people traded and bartered with one another for products and services. There was no bank. We controlled our own money. So we got to get back to doing that, you guys. And how do we do that, you guys? By converting we got to cut out the middleman. We got to convert our dollars. We got to convert our worthless paper money right now while we still have the opportunity. We still have the opportunity. Opportunity is here to preserve your wealth and secure your energy. This your energy that they've been stealing. Do you understand this? You've been the one out here working hard, day and night, night and day, to make these people live wealthy, live in abundance, and suck up all of the world's resources, right? Enslaving the children with sex trafficking. It's just so very, 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 very grimy what these people been doing. And they try to twist the story and make us look like the villains. Make us look like we're the bad ones and they're the good ones. But they have been playing us, you guys. And it's time for us to start changing that around. It's time for us to start knowing that we don't have to continue to live like this. We can take back our power. And the way that you take back your power is by preserving your wealth and securing your energy by and save silver and gold. So we're going to talk about it. We're going to talk about silver today. We're going to talk about gold. Robert Kiyosaki is saying that Bitcoin, I've been in Bitcoin. I've been trying to get people in Bitcoin for over 3 or 4 years now. So Robert Kiyosaki is definitely on point. He knows what he's talking about when he's talking about death to the U.S. fiat. And let's pick up this gold and silver and Bitcoin and cut these middlemen out and take back our power from these people. Okay? So what are the blogs and experts saying about silver, about gold and silver? So I'm going to go to this article and we're just going to read it very quick, a little bit of it. So Bloomberg says gold is to reach $3,000. That's 50% above its record, Bank of America says. Bank of America Corp raised its 18-month gold price target to $3,000 an ounce, more than 50% above the existing price record in a report titled "The Fed Can't Print Gold." They can't print gold, you guys. They can't print gold. The bank increased its target from 2,000 previously as policymakers across the globe unleashed vast amounts of fiscal and monetary stimulus to help shore up economies hurt by the coronavirus. As economic output contracts sharply, fiscal outlays surge and central bank balance sheets double, fiat currencies could come under pressure. You hear that, you guys? Fiat currencies could come under pressure. Analysts, including Michael Widmer and Francisco Blanch, said in the report, investors will aim for gold. So it's showing a bullish market right now. If you know anything about the stock market or about the market itself, as you can see, gold has been going up and down for the past, 11 years. Now it's climbing. It's on an upward trend, as you can see. So BOFA expects bullion to average $16.95 an ounce this year, and 2063 in 2021. The record of 1921.17 was set in September 2011. Spot prices traded around 16.78 on Tuesday and are up 11% this year. To be sure, a strong dollar reduced financial market volatility and lower jewelry demand in India and China could remain headwinds for gold, both have said. But beyond traditional gold supplies and demand fundamentals, financial repression is back on an extraordinary scale, the report said, with assistance by Farty. So you guys can continue to look into that. I'm going to go back to my presentation. Look into that definitely about gold. But Ron Paul is saying about silver. He's saying if there's one thing investors should buy right now, this is what Ron Paul is saying, you guys, is silver. So I'm going to show you a little bit of how you can start getting assets. I know Mr. Robert Kiyosaki even said right now his gold and silver dealers are out right now. And so now he's just maxing out on Bitcoin. But you can actually get gold and silver, you guys, right now. You can get it for very affordable prices. You can get it. You can earn free gold and silver. You can earn free Bitcoin. You can get paid in Bitcoin. I have some opportunities available for us, you guys. So this first opportunity I'm going to show you is about the silver. And I'm going to take you, I'm going to take you to, my bad. I'm going to take you to this company that I'm with called Quicksilver. And I'm going to allow this young lady to explain briefly. This is just a short presentation.
Welcome to Quicksilver. Are you ready to be given the 4 keys that unlock the secrets to the wealthy life? Of course you are. We are a precious metals company that provides people with the 4 keys to the wealthy life through our proprietary wealth platform that enables people just like you to automatically gain wealth in an accelerated way. How? By combining beautiful, pure silver bullion assets from around the world with a very progressive income-generating system designed in a way never done before, with a focus on helping anyone accumulate wealth and capitalize quickly. We are currently expanding globally and have positions available for those who recognize what it means to have a first-mover advantage in a new program that is growing phenomenally and, in turn, creating extreme excitement about the program's design. That's a clue, a clear indicator that Quicksilver will have widespread exponential growth as we move into the future. And best of all, you can ride the wave with us. Now, before we continue, we want you to be relaxed in knowing that you can participate as a preferred customer with no membership fees. Or, as we'll discuss in the 4th key, you can secure a lucrative ambassador position for just $9.97 today to leverage our wealth platform. So, listen close. The first key to the wealthy life is wealth-building precious metal assets. That's right. Something as simple as pure silver is the foundation to gaining and maintaining wealth. World-famous author and financial expert Robert Kiyosaki once stated, "Silver is the biggest opportunity I've ever seen." Now that's a clear indicator of what the future of silver holds. The second key is automatic wealth building. When you make something happen automatically, you'll succeed. Through our auto wealth delivery program, you will automatically acquire wealth building assets each month in a quantity tailored to fit your budget. There are no membership fees and no long-term commitments to access our very competitive pricing. You can begin with as little as one 1-ounce silver coin monthly. Or, better yet, take our 90-day challenge and receive our premium challenge package with your choice of how many coins you receive with it and each month thereafter. It's a 6-pound starter kit full of awesome. What is the challenge and how do you accomplish it? Simple. Just acquire 16 1-ounce coins from us within 90 days. That's it. See our challenge section below to learn more. Now, the third key is making the world a better place, to feel like you actually make a real difference. That's why we formed Project S4. We joined forces with a nonprofit called Feed My Starving Children to provide meals to starving children and families with every purchase. This will make you an automatic life sustainer when you join us. Okay, you're probably thinking, that all sounds great, but how can a low-cost ambassador position produce lucrative profits for me? Well, that leads us to the fourth key. You need to have a simple income generating system that creates leveraged residual income for you automatically. We have that for you here at Quicksilver. We've created a proprietary wealth building and income producing platform that automatically leverages exponential growth infinitely for you to accelerate your wealth with. Our wealth platform is unlike anything you've ever seen before. We're not like other companies who make you jump through countless hoops before they'll even pay you a dime. We have extremely easy achievement levels that put you in 100% control of your income. This means you can get paid fast. Just how easy is it? You activate your wealth platform for less than $10 and choose either a challenge package starter kit option or as little as 1 to 10 ounces of silver for your monthly auto wealth delivery. Then refer 2 people who do the same. That's it. This is how it all begins. You'll automatically be developing lucrative residual income while earning upfront customer acquisition and challenge bonuses. Better yet, for a limited time, you can lock in earning double challenge bonuses for life by simply buying or selling a challenge package to a preferred customer within your first 30 days. That's right, you'll earn double challenge bonuses for life. Again, all while developing lucrative residual income automatically from the purchase of every product in your organization through infinity. As your team grows exponentially, you can earn up to $10,000 monthly in residual income alone per business center. Best of all, because our platform is based on a binary structure, you can have others automatically spill over into the infinite depth of your team for you to benefit from financially. Now that's automatically leveraged residual income infinitely. Think about it. Because anyone can find at least 2 people who would like to join in the journey to a wealthier life and get silver bullion at highly competitive prices. So, let's recap to put this all into perspective. Quicksilver is a brand new company with a brand new concept that has never been done before. This means you have a first mover advantage. This means you can get in at the beginning. This means you will be poised to capitalize, which all means you could be on top of a lot of spillover business in a relatively short period of time. You'll pay less than $10 a month for your wealth platform. That is crazy. Crazier yet, this low-cost program could be positioning you right on top of $10,000 residually each month. What are you waiting for? Click the Get Started button and join us today. If you'd like to learn more about how you will earn as an ambassador, watch our Earn video below. And most importantly, take action before this window of opportunity closes forever.
All right, you guys. So that is Quicksilver, and I've actually been in Quicksilver. We've been saving and go, my household, for about a month and a half now. Quicksilver is actually a fairly new company. It was introduced to my husband and I by one of our mentors that we take a lot of, we've learned a lot of information from about finances and about silver and gold and about the economy and the history of the economy from a young brother named Brother Ricardo Hamilton. He introduced us to this program called Quicksilver. He's actually in another, he's a business partner of ours in another company that we're in called Karatbars, which I'll talk to you about in a few minutes. But you guys, we've been saving in silver for, like I said, a month and a half now, and in our household combined, just by helping other people also saving silver, and we are on our monthly auto wealth systems and everything, we've almost accumulated over almost about 40, I believe, 40 to 50 1 troy ounce silver coins with this company, you guys. So those little small coins, those are 1 troy ounce silver bullion 0.999 silver coins. And that's what we've been accumulating. And it's been a very, very fun, adventurous ride, accumulating more precious metal assets. We have been, like I said, preserving our wealth with gold and a Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies for the past maybe 3 to 4 years. So now we just picked up another one, which is amazing because silver is going to be doing amazing things in the near future. And it's said to maybe climb over gold for a short amount of time in the nearest future. So I'm excited about that ride. And that's going to be another great wealth transfer that's going to take place. You know, we have our children in the business. My oldest son is 19. He's accumulating silver and saving silver. My daughter and her boyfriend, they're also in the business, and they're saving and growing their business and accumulating free silver. My husband and I, we're accumulating free silver just because we're helping other people to preserve their wealth. And you guys can take action now and get in on this action. Right now, this month, there's an amazing promotion going on that you can take advantage of. We've already accumulated a few free coins this month alone, and for a free marketing system, I was able to accumulate. I'm excited about that. It's a lifetime marketing membership that I'm going to be able to have that I don't have to pay for. So there's some amazing things happening in the company, and I strongly urge you guys to just take a look at it. So if you want to take a look at it, definitely check out my website. I'm sorry, wrong page. You're going to definitely check out my website at buyandsavesilver.LaShayLLC.com. You might have to put HTTPS semicolon. Matter of fact, let me put that in there. I'm sorry. So you won't get confused or think that the link isn't working. Oh, I'm sorry, you guys. Bear with me a second. My phone is acting real strange right now. I think this is real cool that I can communicate with you guys and do this from my phone, even though it wants to act strange at times. So I appreciate you just bearing with me. And then we're going to keep the ball rolling. I just want to edit this very quickly so that you will know what to type in when you want to go and get your auto wealth system started. So you're going to type in HTTPS buy and save silver .LaShayLLC.com. So that's https://buyandsavesilver.LaShayLLC.com. So that's the silver part of it, you guys. So what we're going to do now is talk about Karatbars International. We're going to talk about stacking gold, not paper dollars. Once again, Karatbars is a wealth building system where you accumulate real physical wealth at your pace. The dollar is declining, so we all know this. So I just want to let you know, it doesn't matter if you're flipping stocks, selling platters, or punching the clock. Move your money or lose it to inflation and taxes. Stop me when I'm wrong. Stop me when I'm wrong. In 3000 BC, gold was only available to the pharaohs. In 2020, it is affordable to everyone in a small bullions of gold. So we're going to talk about Karatbars International. I'm just going to briefly go over this overview with you guys for very quickly. And we're going to talk about Karatbars. Karatbars International is an e-commerce company. Karatbars International, an e-commerce company, has made available a simple wealth building system for everyone on the planet who is 18 years of age and over, and with optional ways to participate. So here are the ways that you can participate and be able to accumulate gold, you guys. So option 1, save gold. We all start here. We complete the free registration for our gold savings account. So keep in mind, there's no fee to get your account started with Karatbars to open up a free gold savings account, okay? You're going to start acquiring Karatbars gold in small increments. You can start getting gold right now. Our CashGold dollars, which we'll go into a little bit more later, our CashGold dollars are about at $6 to $7, a tenth of a gram, you guys. You can get gold for as small as a tenth of a gram right now with Karatbars International. Karatbars International has made it easy by making available a feature called Auto Exchange. At Wealth Builders Worldwide, we call that pay yourself first. You set up your account to automatically exchange your paper currency for Karatbars gold weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. You simply set it, forget it, and then go back and increase it as time progresses, you guys. Activating this feature allows you to automatically pay yourself first with physical gold. There are no fees of any kind. The account is completely free and takes less than 5 minutes to register. Every time you acquire every time you acquire Karatbars gold, you are building your family's wealth. So you have option number 2, which is to save and to earn. So you have an earning potential. As an independent affiliate, when you save gold for yourself and share with others how to do the same, you position yourself to be compensated monthly through our unilevel system compensation plan. You are virtually in business for yourself in over 140 plus countries worldwide. So just keep in mind that Karatbars ships to 140 countries all over the world, you guys. This is a major, major opportunity. Option 3 is to maximize your earning potential. You may choose one of several business packages which positions you to generate cash flow monthly and weekly through our dual system compensation plan. These packages are income producing assets, you guys. They're income producing assets. So they're assets that produce income that will constantly come in for you. Some people have asked, why Karatbars? A Karatbars gold savings account gives you protection against future financial crisis and rapid inflation. It protects your hard-earned paper currency with physical gold. Karatbars International has the only system in the world where you can get free gold. Do you hear that, you guys? You can get free gold. Gold is a store of wealth and value and is an appreciating asset. There are 3 major benefits of Karatbars gold savings accounts. You can now start saving physical gold in small increments, as I stated before. Karatbars International puts you in a position to build a global business from the comfort of your home. And as you all know, we're all in the coronavirus. We've been going through this pandemic on lockdown, quarantine for the past couple of months. And you guys have a lot of you are probably not making money sitting at home right now. You're not able to go to work and you're probably not making money and you're waiting on the government to send you stimulus checks. But you can be actually starting a business right now and saving CashGold and making money doing it. These are significant tax advantages. There are significant tax advantages to owning a home-based business. You guys don't want to know why Donald Trump doesn't pay any taxes? Because he's a businessman. He has businesses. He lives his life and runs his life like a business. Therefore, he doesn't pay any taxes, you guys. So, moving on, Wealth Builders Worldwide mission. Our mission is to provide individuals worldwide with the tools required to enhance your lives, achieve your dreams, and build massive wealth. We are salespeople. We are salespeople. We are a sales team. We do not sell products, goods, or services. We sell people on the infinite possibilities of their lives and the power of their dreams. We sell people on never giving up. We believe this is a noble cause. Now, if you are a guest in the line, or if you're a guest watching this video today, if you're watching this video on my page or anybody else's page, if somebody shared this page with you, they shared it with you because they see the vision and they see the potential, and they want you to see the potential as well, so that we can all begin coming together and building together, you guys. To get to get on this call, open your Karatbars accounts right now. So that's a little bit about Karatbars, and I'm gonna show you a little bit more. I'm gonna show you a little bit more about Karatbars, and I'm gonna go so far as to show you a video as soon as it loads. So give me a second. Okay. So I'm going to show you this video. I hope you have a few minutes to stand by. And this is just a visual of what Karatbars is. I've read it to you. I've emphasized it with as much emotion as I could, but I just want you to get the vision, visualizing it. So just take a look at this.
Welcome to Karatbars International. In 2011, Dr. Harold Constantine Zeitz laid the foundation for his company, Karatbars International. The mission was for every human being on the planet to be able to own physical gold. What was once one man's vision is now a worldwide empire of companies that generates an annual turnover of more than 100 million euros.
You can see this room is filled with people, excitement, but most of all with love. And that's the love of our CEO and founder, Mr. Harold Zeitz, who has blessed not only a community, but a country. And I remember one of the first events I went to, there was 50 people, and that was our freedom celebration. And today we have an event with nearly 4,000 people. So Karatbars is a great company. Thank you, Mr. Harold Zeitz, and thank you, South Africa, for an amazing experience.
We're about to make probably one of the highest steps in the telecommunications and blockchain industry ever made.
Today's the day I shape my destiny. Today's the day I take control of my future.
It took a person with godly attributes to be the steward of what is changing people's lives all over the world. He needed one man to start that ball to rolling, to create that avalanche of wealth around the world. And that one man, I submit to you, that one man is Harold Zeitz.
I started in 2011 with this company. In 2011, we sell gold 1 gram, 2.5, and 5 gram. And my idea, I think about how I can make a payment system with this okay, if you have small units in gold, it's happened that the people accept the gold. It has happened. Gold is gold. The paper money is nothing since 1971. And this is why, as I begin, I think we can create a payment system with gold behind. And then I create a CashGold. Everybody knows CashGold here? CashGold is the solution.
And creating innovative solutions is what Karatbars International is all about. Our Karatbars universe gives you all the tools needed to build wealth by saving, trading, and managing your funds. Karatbit, our cryptocurrency exchange, offers you a platform to acquire and trade your cryptocurrencies for CashGold, cash, and other cryptocurrencies. KaratPay, our payment system with gold, gives you the opportunity to do business online and pay products or services with the trust of gold backing it. The KCB coin is our digital currency used for all transactions within the KB universe. Karatbit, KaratPay, and the KCB will generate revenue with every transaction, and the profit goes into backing the KBC and the development of our ecosystem. We also have other amazing innovations like the world's first CashGold exchange machine, the CEM, which allows holders of our cryptocurrency to exchange our coins in real time for physical gold. No other cryptocurrency in the world can do that. And that's not all. We also introduced the world's first voice-over blockchain smartphone, the K1 Impulse. It is based on a completely new technology which fully encrypts all your information like text, voice, financial transactions, video, and documents, with all data being encrypted on the Data IPFS platform. Everything you transmit will be encrypted and visible only to you and the receiving user you choose. We have expanded that same technology to the world's first blockchain-based laptop computer, the WIM. Through our breakthrough technologies and innovations, we have mobilized your wealth-building system. Your physical and crypto assets and communications are secure, private, and user-friendly so that everyone, everywhere, can experience a lifestyle of freedom and success. Karatbars has made available a simple wealth building system for everyone on the planet who is 18 years of age and over, with 4 optional ways to participate. Option 1, save gold. Saving is the first principle of building and maintaining wealth. Most people don't have $1,000 in savings. That's because they don't pay themselves first, and our dollar's buying power is being destroyed due to inflation. It is impossible to outrun an exponential inflation with our declining linear incomes. So this is why we save gold. Since 1932, gold has outperformed currencies by more than 6,200%. $100,000 worth of gold acquired in 1932 is now worth over $6 million. In 1920, you could purchase a brand new Ford truck for $645 or 1 kilogram of gold. Today, it costs 40,000 of those same dollars, but it still only takes that same 1 kilogram of gold with change left over. We don't have to prove to you that the buying power of your dollars are going down. Just go to the grocery store. $20 won't buy what it used to. Today, you could put $20 worth of groceries in a little basket over your arm. So if you do nothing else but save gold instead of paper, you will build wealth. $100,000 saved in gold in 1971 is today worth over $4 million. Option 2, save and earn. As an independent affiliate, when you save gold for yourself and share with others how to do the same, you position yourself to be compensated through our unilevel system compensation plan. Now, you can earn a monthly bonus of up to 6% of the gold savings volume within your organization. Option 3, maximize your earning potential. You may choose from a selection of physical or digital packages, which position you to generate cash flow monthly and weekly through our dual system compensation plan. These packages are income-producing assets and position you to generate multiple streams of income. Here are just a few. Whether you choose bronze, silver, gold, or VIP, you will earn a 10% direct commission on personally sponsored affiliates who also choose a package. You'll earn a 3% direct commission on your second generation and 2% on your third. Then there's the dual team. Anytime anyone within your organization acquires gold, business packages, electronics, or cryptocurrency products, there is a unit value attached to it. Each time you accumulate 50 units on one team and 25 units on the other, you receive dual team payouts which continue to infinity. The payout is as much as €80 based on your package, and you can earn up to 180,000 payouts per week. You may also participate in our dual team matching bonuses. As people within your organization generate dual team payouts, you could earn up to 7 generations of matching bonuses per week. And Karatbars doesn't stop there. We also provide long-term team-building incentives with awards like Rolex watches, Mercedes-Benz cars, even a luxury villa built for you anywhere in the world, debt-free.
Put the word dream. Never give up on your dreams. Dream and dream big. If I can do this, so can you.
So dream big. Get back with the person that shared this valuable information with you. And let's get you started building your dreams with Karatbars International.
All right. So that's Karatbars, you guys. It's just one of the presentations. Now I want you to take a couple of more minutes and just get to know our CEO a little bit better. He spoke earlier on in the video, the first video, but I want you to just get to know him a little bit more.
Für mich zählt das Wort.
What matters to me is a word, a handshake. Crystal clear decisions in words such as love, respect, appreciation, and friendship. Everyone gains what he gives. Mankind only keeps the things in mind they do not want. If you focus on what you want to obtain, then you will reach your goals. If your goal is distinct, the way towards it will reveal itself. Gold in small denominations gives man the possibility to secure one's financials. That is something paper will never be able to provide. Gold is everlasting. It has been around for 5,000 years and has been the world's currency for 2,800 years. Money is important, but to successful people, other values matter. Mankind comes in the fore. It moves me every time I see someone who has changed his or her life with Karatbars. Here in Stuttgart is where my origins are, and I view it as a personal responsibility to advance this country further. I put emphasis on quality, continuity, and an efficient infrastructure. Shipping has been something we have put a lot of effort and work into, and have developed an extremely secure system in partnership with FedEx. Be true to yourself. Success will follow.
So that's our CEO, Harold Sykes. And from being in the company and from what I know about him, he's a very down-to-earth man, you guys. And he just wants to see the whole world just succeed and be successful and live abundantly. And that's what it's all about. And he's taking and helping give people their power back, you guys, by providing this amazing opportunity, this amazing system to the entire world. So check out this next video for me.
It's about time to get things done. We have the responsibility for ourselves and our kids' future. The question I've been asking myself a lot is, how can I change we made? In the beginning was the thought, and the thought becomes reality. Nothing is more secure than gold. Enterprises, governments, countries trust in gold. So we did only create a new medium of exchange. We also provide you with a tool of secure online transactions. Now is the time for change. Everyone can take a part. Everyone can contribute. Join us. Follow our dream for a better, safe, and peaceful, and truly wonderful world for everyone.
And I just want to read that very quickly. And it says that the earth, I let it go too far. I'm sorry. Let's go. It says the earth currently has more than enough resources to feed the world's population of 7 billion people. The fact that 1/2 of humanity is starving while the other half lives in modest prosperity, to me, is nothing more than a problem of distribution. Within the history of mankind, gold has always been one of the most valuable forms of exchange payment and has a strong association with stability. For me, it is vital that I contribute to the rising problem of global inequality. That's our CEO and founder, you guys, Harold Sykes. And so I hope you're seeing the vision now. I'm going to keep on playing more videos because as I keep going, you're going to understand more what this system is about.
If the dream is big enough, the facts don't count. So the first thing I wanted to say to you is this. Folks, you've got to dream bigger. I mean, no, you ain't got to do anything because you have free will, okay? But I'm going to encourage you right now. I don't care what you think your dream is. I'm telling you, you're dreaming too small, okay? I came here with a big dream. I'm leaving here realizing I was still dreaming too small. I mean, if I told you some of my dreams and goals I have, the aspirations for this organization and my family, you say that Ty Best is just crazy. Okay, I'm talking before I got here. If I told you the dreams that Val I have for this whole organization for wealth builders worldwide, you say he's crazy. He's egotistical. He's lost his mind. And I'm here to tell you, after spending 3 days in Stuttgart, Germany, with Mr. Joseph Haidt, okay, with Dr. Harold Seiss, let me tell you something. My dream is too small. It's still too small. It's just too small. I can't. I'm trying to see what Harold Seiss see, what Joseph Haidt see, and where they're taking those who step out on faith. Because, see, I can't tell you anything. I'm telling you right now, can't tell you anything about this weekend. And I'm not going to tell you. I'm not going to slip and tell you. Don't call me and ask me to get. I'm not going to give you. Not going to. What you've got to do is, number one, I'm going back to it. You got to develop a big enough dream. You've got to dream bigger, folks. I mean, from my heart, you've got to see how big this thing is. You've got to see this thing is huge. If you think about making yourself an extra $5,000 a month, you plan. You don't understand what you have in your hands. And it's possible for you to understand. I'm making a lot more money than that, and I don't understand. So I understand, but I'm trying to fast forward you. I'm trying to tell you right now, for this next 90 days, this next 90 days or 6 months, I forget the past. You need to put the blinders on and give this thing every ounce of time and energy and spare minutes you got. I know football season's starting. Hey, for those of you who like football, great, watch if you want to. But I'm telling you, it's going to cost you a fortune if you know about Karatbars. And if you know about Karatbars, keep watching football. But if you know about Karatbars, I'm telling you right now, you've got to dream bigger. If you've truly ever thought about being financially independent, if you've thought about being free, if you thought about literally eliminating bondage from your like debt from your life, if you thought about paying off the mortgage, paying off the car, you thought about buying cars with cash like Mr. Delco just did. Whatever your dream is, you've got to even dream bigger than that. You got to start dreaming about, let me build a wing on this hospital. You got to start building about, let me put homeless shelters all over America. You got to start thinking about, let me just single-handedly donate $1 million to your favorite college or charity. Think. I want you to think in those terms. I want to ask you to think way beyond your personal needs of you having a 4,000 or 5,000 or 10,000 square foot home and an indoor pool, an outdoor pool, a tennis court back. I want you to think bigger than that. I want you to think about changing the world positively on a bigger scale than you've ever thought about in your lifetime. Because that's what you're in a position to do. Oh, yeah, I'm telling you right now, you can stop worrying about your personal finances if you take action. No, I won't say if. No, I'm telling people on this call, I'm going to say when you take action starting right now. I cannot dream bigger, folks. Okay? You say I'm the dream maker. I'm telling you, I was dreaming still too small. Okay, now I'm dreaming about buying 25, 30 acres, build a farm, build a house on it from scratch up. I'm talking about building a 10, 15,000 square foot home. I'm talking about having it all on one level, and I was still dreaming too small. Okay, I was thinking about building. I just told Val this past week. I said, we're gonna build a wing on this church. We're gonna build a whole wing, or we're gonna rename a wing after our family, because this hospital, Riverside Hospital, it saved my life and it saved my wife's life. Okay. I'm dead serious about that, okay? I got dream bigger, folks. That's I don't want to start crying. Dream bigger. Dream bigger. You don't know. Oh God. Whew. Okay. Let me get it together. Give me a minute here. Give me a minute. Okay. Okay. Boy, I need some help. I should have had some help, but it's just things I can give to somebody else. Okay. Dream bigger. Dream bigger. Second thing I'm going to say. I don't care what your friends say, your relatives say, your spouse say, your mama say, your daddy say, your coworkers say. Don't let anybody steal your dream. Don't let them. Okay. Believe me. They question Facebook. They question Google. They question Amazon. People, average people, question every great idea because they can't see what you see. They can't see it. But I'm telling you something. The vision of Mr. Harold Seitz was outside the stratosphere. It was just huge. I mean, this man just had a huge vision and a huge heart for people. I mean, he just spent an hour talking to us about his visions for the people in the business. That his first thought is always, how can I put more money in people's hands around the world to help them get free from a banking system that's held them in hostage for the last 100 years? Okay. And then he joins partner. Now, Mr. Harold Seitz's vision is huge. And then he joined partners with Joseph Haidt, the chairman of the Gold Bank. And Joseph Haidt vision might be bigger than Harold's. And now you think about it. Now those two did not make 1 + 1 = 2. They made 1 + 1 = like 20. Because their vision combined, everybody is blown away. I mean, dog, just blown away. I'm telling you. Look, I'm trying to talk to you. So I apologize. Not good to see a grown man, 64 years old, in tears. But, wait a minute here. But I'm in tears. It's tears of joy. See, I spent 35 years in this industry. They made it very clear to us this weekend. Karatbars is not a network marketing company. We're not a multi-level company. We need to make that very clear to people in the field, that we are a licensed e-commerce company operating in 141 countries. What's the difference in Karatbars and all these other companies? As an e-commerce company, there's no requirement here to do anything. Everything a person does in Karatbars is voluntary. It's free to sign up. It's not mandatory. You get a package and get paid, 5 times a month instead of 1 time. Okay, there's no monthly quotas you got to meet. There's no monthly qualifications you got to meet. Okay, this is a licensed e-commerce company.
So you guys, that was an amazing video brought to you by one of the leaders in the company, Mr. Ty Best. And he really delivered a heartfelt message about what Mr. Harold Seitz and the CEO of the Gold Bank is actually doing to help give the power back to the people, you guys. And this is an amazing opportunity. As you heard him say, we are not a network marketing company. We are not a multi-level marketing company at all. We are a licensed e-commerce company, federally. We're doing business in 140 companies, you guys, all around the world. So you got to know that this is not no fly-by-night type of company. We've been in business since 2011, and Mr. Harold Seitz has been doing amazing things, growing this organization and growing this this system, you guys. So I just want you to see this and see the vision. There's a lot more definitely that you need to learn and know about it. And I'm going to be leaving information in the inside of the description area of these videos, whether you're watching on YouTube or you're watching on Facebook. In the comments, I'll have links where you can click on the link and get your free gold savings account started right now. You can get it started right now for free. And there's some document process that you have to get set up, and just verifying yourself, and it's called KYC, and know your customer, and you have to verify your mailing address, because we are partnered with FedEx. And if you have your gold shipped from the bank, from the gold bank to your home from your bank in Germany, from the bank in Germany to your home, wherever you are in the world, it'll be coming through FedEx. And it's an amazing system, you guys. You gotta get to know more about it. I'm going to play a little bit more, so let's see. So we have a system called K-Merchant. I think I might need to refresh this page, so give me a second. Sorry about that. I had to charge my device. Okay, so that was the video from Mr. Ty Best. So I'm going to continue showing you the systems that we have available with this company, you guys. So check it out. So that's our phone. We have a voice over blockchain phone system that just recently got released, and this is another system that we have available as well for business owners.
Every day, more people are learning about blockchain and buying cryptocurrency. Until now, the problem for consumers has been where to spend it. Retailers have been reluctant to accept cryptocurrency due to its volatile nature. Who wants to get paid for something and lose money on the sale, right? Thanks to the brains at Karatbars International, this problem has been solved with the revolutionary K-Merchant software. Let's look at how it works. Bob has some cryptocurrency and wants to buy a new car. So he goes to his local dealership, who has decided to use K-Merchant. The software is free to install on any iOS or Android device and comes with a range of plugins or an API for online sellers. So Bob picks his car and pays with his coins. Easy. The dealership chooses whether to accept the cryptocurrency or, and this is what's new, instantly turn it into his local fiat currency, which means he has no cash flow or volatility issues. An instant transaction with no cost for the buyer or seller. So how can it be free? K-Merchant doesn't need to charge Bob or the dealership anything because K-Merchant generates business income with AI trading on their associated exchanges, which are linked into the software. In simple terms, there are no costs for installation, no fees to be paid, and zero risk for the business. K-Merchant even offers free advertising on a global online map. Now, any business in the world can accept cryptocurrency, and anyone can spend it. The vehicle for mass adoption has arrived. Don't miss out on being the first cryptocurrency acceptance point in your town.
So that's our K-Merchant system for business owners. It's an amazing system. As you heard him say, anyone can advertise their business all over the world, 140 countries that we advertise to. And you can accept cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, gold, however you want to accept your payment for your products or your services. So now I'm going to go and show you the next thing that we're doing as well. excited about those laptops and those cell phones. I definitely can't wait till the laptops come out and they start shipping them out. That's why I'm working on my phone, because I don't have a laptop. My laptop was broken, and I haven't replaced it. So I'm going to replace it once they start shipping out those laptops through Karatbars, and I'm going to use my gold money that I've generated, you know, helping other people save gold. And I'm going to get me a nice, beautiful laptop and a beautiful voice over IP phone, you guys. So that's pretty much all that I wanted to show you about Karatbars. It's a lot more that you should know about with the system. But definitely you want to go ahead and check it out. And if you want to go ahead and sign up today and get your free account started, again, you want to go to this website here, which is similar to the Silver website link, but it's https buy and save gold dot LLC.com. So make sure you check out that website, you guys. Go ahead and get your free gold savings account set up. Check out the earning opportunity that you can start generating free gold and generating wealth and building wealth, and just by sharing this amazing opportunity with other people, you guys. I hope you see the vision. I really do. I truly hope you see the vision, because it's serious. Our power is available for us to take back. I just need you guys to know that it's available for us to have abundance, freedom, life abundantly, peace, joy, happiness. It's available to us all. And a lot of that could be taken care of if we didn't have to worry about money. So I just want you to know that if you're watching this video and someone shared it with you, make sure if they're in this business and they shared it with you, they share it with you because they love you. So make sure that you click on their link, or you go back to them and get a link from them and sign up and join this opportunity. Get started today. I'm going to be coming back for a part 3 to do to talk about Bitcoin, because I didn't want to make this video too long. The first one and this one is already long, so I'll come back and talk about Bitcoin, because we got a lot to talk about with that as well. A lot of people don't know what Bitcoin is and how it works, so I want to discuss that and help you guys get a little understanding of that, and we'll go from there. So I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch this video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. If you're not friends with me on Facebook, please like my page on Facebook and follow me. And I'll be seeing you guys on the next video. It is your girl Shaymarie. I'll talk to you guys later. Be blessed.